My name is Erica. I'm a health educator with CLA, which runs 6 farmers markets across Los Angeles. I'm here at the farmers market to pick up some fresh tomatoes featured in today's recipe. Today, I'm going to make a simple and delicious tomato choka. Preheat boiler, place 2 pounds of cherry tomatoes on a rimmed baking sheet and broil until skins are charred. Once charred, place tomatoes in a shallow bowl and crush with a fork. Remove any cores or tough pieces. Heat 1/2 cup vegetable oil in a small saucepan on medium-high heat. Remove the saucepan from heat, add 1/2 medium onion, 3 garlic cloves, 2 Anaheim peppers, 1 Scotch bonnet or habanero chili, and 1 tablespoon thyme. Stir mixture until well combined. Drizzle the oil mixture over the smashed tomatoes and season with salt and pepper. Top with 2 scallions and 1/2 cup cilantro.